Welcome to this video highlighting Sequels to impactful contributions towards employee welfare through EPFO reforms. Sequel is a pan-India-based management services company that helps businesses by providing the best compliance solutions, licensing permits, POSH, SOC audits, and ESG. Sequel has always been at the forefront of advocating for employee benefits and welfare. Recently, their persistent efforts led to a significant milestone in ensuring financial security for the families of deceased employees. The Employees Deposit Linked Insurance (EDLI) scheme under the Employees Provident Fund Organization (EPFO) provides a lump sum insurance benefit to the family of a deceased employee. Traditionally, the EDLI scheme has not had a fixed payout amount. The benefit is calculated based on the employee's salary and the length of service. However, Sequel has advocated for a minimum assured amount of 250,000 rupees under the EDLI scheme. This means that the family of a deceased employee would receive at least 250,000 rupees. This proposed change is significant as it aims to offer greater financial security and support to the families of deceased employees, ensuring a minimum level of benefit. This move can be particularly beneficial for employees with lower earnings or shorter service durations, who might otherwise receive a lower insurance payout. The ministry increased the minimum benefit amount to 2.5 lakh rupees in February 2018, which was valid for 2 years. The EPFO has extended this minimum amount of 2.5 lakh rupees with retrospective effect from 15th February 2020. Sequel was actively following up with the Employees Provident Fund Organization (EPFO) to obtain clear instructions on how the interest on amounts exceeding to ₹50,000 should be calculated. They sent a series of reminders to the EPFO, along with a suggested calculation sheet, urging the issuance of a circular to clarify the matter as soon as possible. Sequel's diligence extended to providing a suggested calculation sheet, which closely mirrored EPFO's own computations. This proactive approach ensured that the necessary guidelines were issued promptly. Sequel's commitment to employee welfare has made a lasting impact. Their efforts continue to shape a more secure future for employees and their families. Thank you, Sequel, for making a difference.